people, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be putting on these Kiss Gel Fantasy matte purple nails because I know for the quarantine a lot of you guys couldn't get your nails done. So in this package, when you open it up, it comes with a glue, it comes with a stick, and it comes with a whole bunch of nails. You can get your nails done twice. I also forgot to mention that it also comes with a nail filer. So right now my nails are crusty because of the quarantine. So I'm going to pause and wash my nails, wash my hands, and come back. I'm back with my nice freshly clean hands. Yes, so my hands are clean, the box is open. I showed you guys the box, I showed you what's in the box. So now we're gonna get started, and it comes with instructions on the back. You guys don't need to read that because you guys have me and you can just watch me. So right now I'm just picking out some nails and measuring them on my finger, and it should match pretty perfectly on your nails. If it does not match, you'll either have to file it to match your nails, or you would have to just get a nail that matches. So I'm just measuring the nails, and whichever nail that I pick, it should have a number at a very small number at the top, and that's the same nail that matches. Your nails should match from the bottom, the sides, all the way, your whole nail should be covered. And you just want to get your two nails and put them aside. So in total you should have 10 nails when you're finished for your left and your right hand. I'm flipping the nail over to show you guys the number that's supposed to be. See the number 7 on there? It's very small, but that's what it's supposed to. It's a little number at the top part of the nail. My nails are all laid out on my bed, all organized, and I have 2 nails for each finger because I have 2 hands. And now we're on to the next step, and they gave me this glue sticky thing because they give you 2 options. You can use either the nail glue or the sticky nail glue, and I think that's another way of doing it. But I'm traditional, so I just use the nail glue. And I had to pick and choose, and that's the decision that I went with. So even though I'm opening this up, I'm not going to be using it. I'm just taking the nail filer out. And I'm going to start pushing back my cuticles with the wooden stick that they gave me because that's what it's for. And I'm going to do that for each nail. I'm going to push the cuticle back, and I'm going to take out any residue underneath the nail. Now, one thing that I wish that I had was a cuticle remover, because even though I'm pushing it back, I am missing a cuticle remover tool, or like the solvent that you put on your cuticles and they remove it. So that would have been a plus. So I'm just pushing it back because all I have is this wooden tool that they gave me. also gonna start buffing out my nails because I'm using the filer that they gave me, and I need my nails to be a perfect shape. You want them all the same length, so you need to use that to shape them up and also buff out your nails on the other side. And I have Layla, my sister, sleeping next to me, and my mom is also sleeping next to me, in case you guys were wondering. So we're gonna pop this glue open and start putting on our nails. The nails are already organized, so you're just gonna start picking them up. I'm starting with my thumb. I put the nail glue on the thumb, on the nail, and then I press the nail down for at least 20 seconds. And I'm gonna do that for each nail. And you wanna make sure that you're pressing it down and holding it down, because that's an important part. All the parts are important, but this is also very important. You don't want your nails to slip off. And honestly, my nails lasted me for a week. So if you do this properly, it should last you for a week. And I'm doing this for each of my nails. Since I didn't use the cuticle remover, don't be afraid to go back and use the wooden stick to push your cuticles back if they pushed back up like mine did. And again, you want to press on your nails and hold them tight. I'm going to put some tea tree oil on my cuticles, and I'm going to show you guys the finished product of how it came out. And I love my nails. If you do too, please like, comment, subscribe. XOXO, RARI.